We're the Fairfield Acapellas.
Come into my heart and tell me, darling, we will never part. I know, darling, don't go easy.
How we got started about a year ago at a New Year's party. We were doing a singing contest. Well, Zach and Johnny were competing for that, and as they were warming up, they, you know, Sam and I overheard them. We're like, oh, maybe we could join in on this. Sam started singing. I'm like, all right, let me try some beatboxing. Maybe I'll do something because, you know, I'm tone deaf. And we started doing that. And we're like, wow, this is working out well. So we didn't do the competition, but we found something better. So
I'm Sam. I'm 16. I'm in the Acapellas.
Oh yeah, ooh, I got some news for you. Why don't you tell your little girlfriends that?
My favorite musician right now is Bruno Mars.
I'd catch a grenade for ya.
I'm Zach, I'm 17 and I'm in the Acapellas. I guess I always liked singing. I didn't like singing in front of people. I didn't really sing in front of anyone at all, even my parents.
Will you be mine, my darling dear? Love you all the time.
Okay, Johnny shit. Interview take 2.
Good night, sweetheart, well, it's time to go. Good night, sweetheart, well, it's time to go.
My name is Johnny, I'm 16, and I'm in the Acapellas. My foundation lies in musical theater, and you know, my sister just did all these like summer camps and stuff, and I figured I would do them too, and then I got hooked, you know, so music's just been a big part of my life for a while now.
Oh, well, your mother and your father, they wouldn't like it if I stayed here too long. Well, I hate to leave you, baby, don't say maybe, because I love you so.
hi, I'm Tim. I'm 16, and I'm in the Acapellas. Well, what got me interested in music? I've always loved music. Performing-wise, I don't know. It started out and then it grew. I was like, you know, this is really cool. Because when you're younger and you really enjoy music, you always want to be that guy on stage. You want to be that person who you admire for their music. And you know, you kind of have a little bit of a chance to do that when you're up on stage performing, and it's a good feeling. You know, I enjoy it. That's why.
Bum ba dum bum ba dum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum ba dum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum ba dum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum ba dum. I don't know, good time to penguins are good.
Hey, the polar bears. The zebras. Good one.
Yeah,
We like the Drifters. They're very
Frankie Valli, the Four Seasons.
My favorite song is
I'd probably say a Billy Joel song.
I had to pick a couple favorites. Probably Bad Romance by Lady Gaga or Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars.
I don't think I have a favorite song.
right now. It's Grenade by Bruno Mars.
I guess maybe my favorite Mayer song is Slow Dancing to Burning Blue.
Put his arms around your waist, held you tight, kisses I could almost taste in the night. Wondered why I'm not the guy whose silhouettes on the shade I couldn't hide. Those tears in my eyes, silhouette, 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 whoa, silhouette, 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 whoa.
Kind of like all genres.
Pop music, rock, jazz.
Probably pop. And then like also Broadway music like show tunes.
Classic rock, definitely.
Dum 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 be dooby dum do dum do dum dum be dooby dum do dum do dum dum be dooby dum whoa 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 dum 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 dum.
Golf and guitar is pretty much how I got it.
Yeah, just hang out with friends, playing sports.
You know, homework. No, like acting, singing.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Come and do my heart down.
No, performing more would be great, and just becoming really well known and just keep performing because it's a lot of fun. That'd be I guess the ultimate goal.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No matter where we go, we're always gonna be best friends, and we're always gonna love to do music together.
Is that a
when
song?
we're 40 years old, we can come back and sing these doo-wop songs together as a group.
You know, it sounds cliche, but it's really true. I mean, that's from the bottom of my heart. It's true. The sky's the limit, you know? We're hoping to take off and make it big someday. We're gonna try to get 100,000 views on our YouTube page and then just keep soaring from there. You know.
Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. I hate to leave you, but I really must say good night, sweetheart. Good night.
Bye.
Thank you.
We love Ryan.
Yeah.
We love Ryan. We love Ryan. We love Ryan.
I love the acapella. See you tonight.
And who's this guy? Who is this?
Thank you, guys.
Professional filmmaker in California.
He met Taylor Swift.
Ryan Minnelli.
He's the man.
What is it? The Piper?